Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Up with Saeem. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. You know, language is a lot like space exploration. It's vast, intriguing, and full of endless possibilities. There's always something new to discover, a new frontier to reach for. Each word is like a new planet waiting to be explored. Today we're launching into the fascinating world of words, specifically 50 advanced words starting with the letter C. These words will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your communication skills. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and unlock new levels of eloquence. It's going to be an exciting journey of learning and discovery. Make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you. Imagine a chorus of car horns, a symphony of sirens all blaring at once. That, my friends, is a cacophony, a true cosmic collision of sound where chaos reigns supreme and silence is but a distant memory. Think of the rhythmic flow of a poet's words, the natural rise and fall of their voice. That's cadence, the music in our speech. Ever had someone sweet-talk you into doing something? That's cajolery persuasion with a charming, almost irresistible touch. Chapter 4. Callous. Callousness is like a black hole, devoid of empathy or compassion, leaving only coldness in its wake. Chapter 5. Calumny. Spreading lies to tarnish someone's reputation like a cosmic debris field of misinformation, that's calumny. Chapter 6. Candor. Candor is like a clear night sky, free from the clouds of deception, revealing the bright stars of truth. Chapter 7. Capitulate. Sometimes you have to acknowledge the overwhelming forces of the universe and surrender. That's capitulation. Chapter 8. Capricious. Like a comet on an unpredictable trajectory, someone capricious is prone to sudden, unexpected shifts in behavior. Chapter 9. Caricature. Exaggerating someone's features like a funhouse mirror reflecting our universe, that's a caricature. Chapter 10. To criticize harshly like a supernova explosion of disapproval, that's to castigate. Chapter 11. A catalyst is like a cosmic spark igniting change and setting events in motion. Chapter 12. That feeling of release after a good cry or a powerful experience, that's catharsis, emotional cleansing. Chapter 13. Caustic. A caustic remark can be like a black hole's gravity, pulling down your mood and leaving a bitter aftertaste. Chapter 14. Censure, formal disapproval, a cosmic reprimand from those in authority, that's censure. Chapter 15. Chagrin. That sinking feeling when you realize you've made a mistake, that's chagrin, a humbling experience. Chapter 16. Charlatan. Beware the charlatan, a cosmic snake oil salesman peddling false promises and misleading claims. Chapter 17. Chastise. To scold severely like a meteor shower of criticism, that's to chastise. Chapter 18. Chicanery. Chicanery is like a black hole, distorting truth and manipulating reality for personal gain. Chapter 19. Easily angered like a star on the verge of going supernova, that's choleric. Chapter 20. A circuitous route is like a comet's orbit, taking the long way around instead of a direct path. Chapter 21. Using more words than necessary like a nebula obscuring a star's light, that's circumlocution. Being cautious and thoughtful like an astronomer meticulously observing the cosmos, that's being circumspect. Finding a way around an obstacle like a spacecraft maneuvering around a black hole, that's to circumvent. To see the future like peering through a telescope at events yet to unfold, that's clairvoyance. Chapter 25. Secret and hidden like a black hole invisible to the naked eye, that's clandestine. Chapter 26. Clemency is like a rare cosmic alignment, a moment of forgiveness and mercy. Chapter 27. To come together as one, like cosmic dust forming stars and planets, that's to coalesce. Chapter 28. Coddle. To pamper and overprotect like a planet's atmosphere shielding it from harm, that's to coddle. Chapter 29. Coerce. To force someone into doing something like a black hole's gravity trapping matter, that's coercion. Chapter 30. Cogent. A cogent argument is like a clear constellation, its logic shining brightly. Chapter 31. To be aware and informed, like an astronomer understanding the cosmos, that's to be cognizant. Chapter 32. Sticking together like the force of gravity holding a galaxy in place, that's cohesive. Chapter 33. Working together towards a common goal, like astronomers from different nations collaborating on a space mission, that's collaboration. Chapter 34. Collusion. Secret cooperation for an illegal purpose, like a hidden asteroid field posing a danger to unsuspecting spacecraft, that's collusion. Chapter 35. Commensurate. Equal in measure or degree, like the balance of forces in a stable solar system, that's commensurate. Chapter 36. Compelling. So captivating it draws you in like the gravitational pull of a black hole, that's compelling. Chapter 37. Complacent, self-satisfied and unaware of potential dangers like a civilization that fails to prepare for a meteor strike, that's complacent. Chapter 38. Complacent. Eager to please like a moon orbiting its planet, that's complacent. Chapter 39. Complicity. Involvement in wrongdoing like a rogue planet caught in the gravitational pull of a black hole, that's complicity. Chapter 40. Concede. To admit defeat like a star finally succumbing to the forces of gravity, that's to concede. Chapter 41. Conciliatory. Attempting to make peace like a mediator negotiating a truce between warring planets, that's conciliatory. Chapter 42. Concur. To agree, like astronomers reaching a consensus on a scientific theory, that's to concur. Chapter 43. Condescending. Talking down to someone like a planet looking down on a moon, that's condescending. Chapter 44. Condone. To overlook or accept wrongdoing like ignoring the warning signs of an impending asteroid impact, that's to condone. Chapter 45. Conflagration. A large and destructive fire like a supernova engulfing a star system, that's a conflagration. Chapter 46. Confluence. A coming together like two rivers merging into one, that's a confluence. Chapter 47. Congenial. Pleasant and agreeable, like a planet with a hospitable atmosphere, that's congenial. Chapter 48. Conjecture. An educated guess, like an astronomer theorizing about the existence of a new planet, that's conjecture. Chapter 49. Connoisseur. An expert in matters of taste, like an astronomer who can identify constellations with a single glance, that's a connoisseur. Chapter 50. Conspicuous. Standing out like a supernova illuminating the night sky, that's conspicuous. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey through the alphabet. It's been an incredible adventure exploring the vast universe of words and their meanings. We've explored 50 powerful C words, expanding our vocabulary and unlocking new levels of eloquence. Each word has added a new dimension to our understanding and communication skills. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Speak Up with Saeem, for more amazing content. Your support helps us bring you more educational and fun videos. Keep those brains firing, and I'll see you in our next exciting exploration. Stay curious and keep learning.